22 22. You have got to start thinking like you are blessed, talking like you are blessed, and acting like you are blessed. That's how your blessings get activated. Type 2222 if you agree. The universe is saying to you today, you are going to be celebrating something very special soon. You will be so full of joy and so much happiness sharing your good news. It will almost seem out of the world how suddenly it all happened for you. Be ready for it, expect it, it's happening. Type yes if you believe. Triple three. Your goals are soon to be manifest. Powerful connections or relationships are forming. Everything is working out. The positive thinking, affirmations, visualizations, and action is about to pay off. You are on the verge of receiving the blessings. Type triple three if you believe. And subscribe God's Manifesto. God always bless you. Thank you all.